This is a video in which I'm going to show you how to assemble this rectangular pyramid out of coffee stirrers and fuzzy sticks. Here are the materials and tools you're going to need. Fuzzy sticks, coffee stirrers or straws, cardboard, a 4x6 card, a ruler, something to cut your fuzzy sticks like wire cutters, a compass, and scissors. The steps for building the model. The first step is preparation. You take your 4x6 card and you're going to draw the two diagonals so that you can find the center of the card. Once you've drawn the two diagonals, the next thing you're going to do is find a midpoint of a 6-inch side and make a mark at 3 inches. Now I need to prepare my cardboard. It needs to be somewhat larger than my 4x6 card. The next thing is to take your base template and put it on the cardboard and hold it there, and you're going to put 6 holes with your compass. 1 on each of the 4 corners of the base, 1 at the center of the base, and 1 right here in the midpoint of the side. The next step is to poke your compass all the way through the cardboard. And you're going to do this through all 6 holes. The next thing you need to do is to assemble your fuzzy stick joints. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your fuzzy sticks and you're going to cut pieces that are 2 inches long. I do need 2 pieces that are 1 1/4 inch long. You're going to need 4 degree 4 joints. A degree 4 joint looks like this. You take 2 2-inch pieces of fuzzy stick and twist, and this makes a degree 4 vertex. You're going to need 2 degree 5 vertices, which is odd. So you're going to take a 1 1/4 inch and you're going to wrap it around the midpoint. That gets you a degree 3. Then take another 2 inch and wrap it around to make a degree 5 vertex. Here are the completed vertices: 4 of degree 4, 2 of degree 5, and 1 of degree 6. The next thing you're going to do is cut your coffee stirrers or straws to the correct length. You need to have 13 lengths. You're going to have 1 2-inch length, 2 3-inch lengths, and so on. Now each length, for example, this one's going to be 4 inches. You should cut the straw or coffee stirrer 1/8 of an inch less than 4 inches. So this should be 3 7/8. Here are my 13 lengths that I need. This particular pyramid is going to have a base that's 4x6 and a height that's 6 inches. Now we're ready for assembly. Okay, I have a 6-inch coffee stirrer here, a 4-inch coffee stirrer here. My edge heights are 7 inches. I'm going to slide that on there. And the 4th one does not have a straw on it. It's going to go down through the cardboard. So I've started my pyramid, and the nice thing is the fuzzy sticks are flexible. Here I am at my next vertex. I have a length of 6, a length of 7, a length of 4, and I'm going to slide this down through the hole. And I notice here that it's a little bit too long. So that's easy to fix. I'm going to just shorten it slightly. I'm going to cut it. All I do is slide it off, trim off a little bit, and put it back together. Put it down through the hole, and now it's a good fit. Here I am. I've put on a few more. Assembly is continuing. And now I am assembling the very top apex vertex that has degree 6. And here's the finished product. Notice that the fuzzy sticks have been pushed through the holes and folded underneath. And the nice thing about this is it's very easy to take it apart and put it in a plastic bag and store it for the next school year. There are many important things to understand about this pyramid. One of them is that this essential tetrahedron here that's made of the edge height, the slant height, and the height of the pyramid, together with these 3 segments down on the base, is a tetrahedron that has 4 faces that are triangles, and each face is a right triangle. So each and every face can have the Pythagorean theorem applied to it. You can use some tape flags and label your segments so that we know what the heights are. The other possibility is to make some homemade flags just out of paper or cardstock indicating the edge height, the slant height, and the height. You can also put numbers on there to give a little bit of information to the student so that they can determine the other necessary lengths. Well, I hope you can use this model to get very fluent with using the Pythagorean theorem. Apply some problem solving. Given certain lengths, how are you going to find the other lengths? And also be good at using the surface area and volume formulas.